Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove objects from video in CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do is just open your CapCut application and choose the project that you want to edit, and whenever you're done, so here I already prepared the clip for you guys. And in this video I would like to remove this item. So to remove this item, you just need to bring these straight lines into the beginning of the clip, and after that you just need to go click the primary clip and make this a copy. So you just need to slide into the left side the features down here until you find a copy, and then you just need to choose or click the copy. And for the second clip, we need to make it become an overlay, so you just need to slide into the right side until we find overlay and then click it. And when the second clip already become an overlay, we need to drag it so that they will have the same position as the first clip. Okay, and now we need to click the overlay part and slide the features into the left side again until we found mask. Whenever we found mask, you just need to go click it, and now I will like to use rectangle, and we need to adjusting the position as well as the size of the background sample that we want to have to cover the object. Okay, for example, we do it this over here, and whenever we're done, we just need to go click done. And now we need to pinch the overlay clip to make it bigger while we drag it into the specific positions that we want to have. Okay, and whenever we're done, we just need to take a look on the result. So that's the way how to remove object on a video by a CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this video for another tutorial.